Good morning, Year 5. I hope you had a really good weekend. It is Monday, the 16th of November, and just a really quick video about your maths and English this morning. I'm not going to spend too long speaking about them because I'm sure you're experts now at this remote learning. So today's lesson is called Using Line Graphs to Solve Problems. So a bit of problem solving today. As always, you will see the Vimeo link, the video link to the tutorial, and it will bring you to here. So please watch that carefully. And then when you are ready, you can go back to the file and you can start answering the questions. So we have line graphs. The first one is all about an airplane and the journey from London to New York. Read the X and Y axis really carefully. We have the time in hours across the bottom, and we have the distance in miles going up the y-axis. The questions are on the next slide, as you can see. So how many hours is the flight? So have a look at the flight time in hours. How long does it go on for? You can probably see it there. So read your questions really carefully. Now it is getting a little bit more challenging this week, so just be really careful. And I know it's a little bit annoying because we're not at school and your parents might be a little bit busy and they can't help you. Please don't worry, because we are going to recap this when we're all back together. The second graph is about rainfall across a set number of days, and it's in millimeters, so just be careful about that. Again, some questions here. Now some of the questions are written in centimeters, so don't forget the chart is in millimeters, so just be super careful about that. And then we have a conversion graph showing the conversion between miles and kilometers. So we have some questions, so let's just look at the first one together. How many kilometers are there in 50 miles? So what you do is have a look at the X and the Y. So we've got miles and kilometers. So let's read that again. How many kilometers are there in 50 miles? So you find your 50 miles, obviously go up the graph, and then you hit the line, so you go across. So it's approximately 80 kilometers. 50 miles is approximately 80 kilometers. And then you can carry on with the challenge questions as well. Oops, they're the answers. So just try your best. I know it's a little bit challenging today. You can only do your best. So give it a go. In terms of English, tomorrow we are going to pick up our debates and arguments topic, which you might be happy to hear. So just for today, I just want you to do some grammar and punctuation revision. So it's in the style of a test. Obviously, you don't have to do it like a test. You can do it however you want. So just read the questions carefully, and then the answers are at the end, but obviously no peeking until you're finished. See how you get on. Okay, so maths and English, the usual for maths, using line graphs to solve problems, and just a little bit of grammar and punctuation revision for English.